differentiate f of x is equal to negative 13 sine x. So, yung negative 13, ito yung constant. And then, yung sine, ito yung trigonometric part. So, gamit yung constant multiple rule, ikikip lang natin yung constant at kukunin natin yung derivative ng sine. So, ngayon, isulat, i-derive na natin. So, i-keep lang natin yung constant. And then, kunin natin yung derivative ng sin x. So, yung standard derivative ng sin x with respect to x is cosine x. Yan. So, yan. I-multiply kasi natin yan. So, i-multiply na natin sila. Negative 13 times cosine x. So, yung derivative nito is negative 13 cosine x. Okay, ganun lang.